Shabbat Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakar Kradash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And Shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And Shalom to the Akim, that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I say Shalom, Shabbat Shalom to you Akim out there. And this is another sit-down lesson for In the News, a quick sit-down lesson on October the 10th, 2022 at 3:28 p.m. Central Standard Time on this Monday afternoon. And this is from the Jerusalem Post, and this was recently. This was published on October the 10th, 2022 by Reuters, the Jerusalem Post, and a highlight of this news article, and it reads, for today in the news, a magnitude 5.9 earthquake shakes Taiwan's capital of Taipei. It says building shook briefly in Taiwan's capital of Taipei on Tuesday during an earthquake with no immediate reports of damage. It says the Taiwan Central Weather Bureau puts the magnitude of the earthquake at 5.9, with the epicenter off the Sea of Taiwan's east coast. And this is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven. Right, because we've been seeing great signs from heaven on the planet Earth as well too, and the increase of earthquakes in diverse places. And as you seen, that was a 5.9 earthquake, and we've been seeing a lot of increase of earthquakes previously, as I mentioned, with the earthquakes of a 7.0, 7.2, 6.9, 6.7, increasing.
Taste funny, don't it?
Yeah, but I ate the rest of them though.
Hell no. That's getting warm. You said get that one.
Right.
That's getting cool though.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's about like
Yeah, it's fall. I see the trees.
Yeah. Yep, sure is. I do see the trees over there changing.
Yeah.
Yep.
That old man, they had the shop when you got on a bike too far, but the coffee place.
Yeah.
But you coming in here for? You don't know that shit.
Yeah, it was
Last time we didn't get the cheese puff yet. Cheese puff.
Yeah.
Try that yet.
One time. I said tried it one time.
How it is.
Decent. Yep. Hell no. It's alright. Salakia. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, in the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, and I'm going to read it again for edification's sake. I was talking to my mom and brother. And great earthquakes shall there be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven. White, we're seeing no increase of great signs. You've been seeing, I believe over there in Venezuela, it was like 20 plus people had died of a landslide. So you've been seeing heavy floodings, heavy storms, heavy earthquakes, tsunamis, volcano erupts, heavy droughts, record-breaking records of heat, rain, you name it. And then that's why I say you shall see great signs. And that's what we're seeing, and it's increasing. And especially with the earthquakes in diverse places, as I mentioned before, with the 6.9 magnitude of an earthquake, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. It might even, next time it might even get closer to 7.3 or 7.5. That's why you've been seeing the increase of these earthquakes in diverse places. And you're going to continue to see it increase now more than ever. So with that, this was just a quick sit down lesson for In the News on October 10th, 2022. On this Shabbat at 3:33 p.m. Central Standard Time on this Monday afternoon. So yeah, increasing of earthquakes in diverse places, as I brought out Luke 21:11. And you're gonna see more increase of earthquakes in diverse places. Just like not too long ago, a few days ago, you had that earthquake over there in Portland. You had a 4.4 earthquake in California, I believe, not too long ago. So you've been seeing increase of earthquakes over there in the West Coast in the United States, Portland, California, and many other places as well too around the world. That's why you're seeing the increasing number of earthquakes in diverse places, and it's going to increase more and more and more. And so with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shah, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, pushing this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I would say Shabbat Shalom and a ball.